Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about this phone right here. This is I believe it's something rare that I found, not online because you can find this stuff all the time online, but something rare I found on the local shops. And this is from this company here, L8 Star, and this is a mini phone that we can use it as a phone also, and as a wireless receiver, as like a Bluetooth earphone. So we have like this piece here that we can mount on the phone. We have the micro USB cable, we have the usual book, and the device itself. Now this is new, and just for the reference I will compare it to this thing right here. So yeah, now let me just show you guys. We have a micro USB charging port here, and let me just show you. Let me just open the device and show you inside, because I need to turn on the device. I need to remove this sticker here on the battery. But let's see, we have the SD card slot and the nano SIM. It shows you how to insert the SIM card and the micro SD card slot. So this thing is very difficult to open. Okay, so let's insert the battery and turn on this thing. Okay, welcome. Yes. Yeah. This looks like the new Nokia 3310, the new version, but this is a mini thing. So it's kind of thick actually, but see on the back it says some features. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video. This phone comes in several colors, in black, gray, green and pink. We have a small screen of 0.66 inch OLED display, and we have a small battery of 260 milliamps. Pause the video right here to read off the other specifications, and see, we have an alarm. We have here, we can search for other Bluetooth devices. We have a menu button, phone book, messages, call center, multimedia, Bluetooth, extras, settings, and from the beginning, phone book. We can put the device on lock screen by pressing the, let's say, the famous red button. And yeah, so this was the video guys. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you on the next one.